Hello again, welcome to today's attempt of a mini polygonal. I'm trying to guess a word where the shape of the top is repeated, the letter is repeated. So it's the second and fifth letters that are the same today. It could be something like start, but when the second and fifth letters are the same, it feels like an E is the prime candidate to be the duplicated letter. So fence, or terse, or tense, or dense, or piece. I've got no idea what is the correct one, so we just have to pick one and go with it and see what it tells us. And it tells us that it's not even a duplicated E. It's not even a single E, in fact. So, what are we going to do instead? Where is the C going to go? That's the next question. Because it's unlikely to be a duplicated C, which probably means it's first. Convo is a very uncommon word, but it will keep me going. It's very close to being correct, though. That's why I went for convo, because it felt like there should be a CO blank blank O word. I just couldn't think of it quickly enough. So I needed to confirm that I was correct about the C and the O, and I was, but I'm still struggling to work out what on earth the rest of the word is. It looks like it should be an M, an R or an S or an M. I just keep thinking of torso, because that's got the O's, but it doesn't have the C at the start. We could duplicate an I, but then I'd be thinking of curio. That doesn't have a duplicated O. Congo, we've ruled out the N, and it's obviously a capital anyway. Costco clearly doesn't fit and isn't correct for several reasons. What is this word, and how is it taking me so long to work it out, given that I've got literally 60% of it filled in already? Costo, Kosho, Cosmo? It's not even a word, it's just a prefix for cosmonaut. I thought that might be the case. That's why I wrinkled my nose if you saw when I entered it, but gladly it's not correct. I'd have been a little bit upset if it was, because it's just such an awkward word. Turns out it's not even a word at all in this game. But that still begs the question of what on earth is the correct word? Corfo. No, I'm clearly just thinking of Corfu. Cobro. No, I'm thinking of Cobra. This really shouldn't be so hard, should it? How many words can there be that have a C and two O's in these positions? How bizarre is it that I just cannot see this word? That usually means there's a K in there, but I cannot believe that there's going to be a K in this word. I'm sure you're all shouting it at the screen, and I apologise that I cannot hear you. I want it to be something like colio, but I don't know if I'm thinking of coolio or folio. I'm kind of mixing the two together and making up my own word, which is not going to be correct. How do I not know what this word is? This is so frustrating. Combo. Oh, that's a prefix as well, isn't it? Or an abbreviation for combination. But, I mean, it's clearly a lot more common than whatever word I thought of earlier, Cosmo. I feel like once I thought of Cosmo, I should have thought of combo pretty soon after anyway. So I'm annoyed with myself that it took so long. But, I mean, yeah. It's not the most obvious of words, let's put it that way. But I still got there in 3, that's not terrible. There were 378 words that matched the pattern, so it could have been worse. That is mini polygonal eventually. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.